My name's Joe Ferraro. I'm the owner of PowerTech Performance. We're a family-based repair shop. RepairLink shortens the time on the phone for me as the business owner, where I can concentrate as far as driving the business. With time being money, it's easier for me to take the VIN, find the exact thing I want, add it to the cart, and click order. I mean, that's it. There's no easier way for me because I know what I'm ordering. I know what I'm looking at. Click, 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 order, and it shows up. It's a no-brainer. I mean, it really, really is. It's made my day so much easier. We're used to the now. We want everything now, and that's where society is. So why waste your time living in the dark ages when you can literally put that VIN in, click on the part you want, and it shows up? You're gonna have people that are gonna resist the change. But in my world, if you just keep doing the same thing from back in the day, you'd never be getting anywhere. I think Henry Ford said it. If I did what everyone else told me to do, I would have bred faster horses. If you can write an RO in your all data program or whatever you're using to keep track of your shop, then you can use RepairLink. I mean, it's that easy.